Hello, welcome to another episode from Small Roads. This is April 2022, and as you can see on the red spots, this is 1 month's travel. We went a lot of the ways to Mariager Fjord, a very nice place in Denmark. Spent the night here by the town at the harbour. It's a really beautiful countryside all along the fjord. Here's a little ice hut where you can just go in, pick an ice and pay. The owner trusts people to do what is right. Now here's a little harbour also along the road. So this is some of the back roads we drive, small roads, and this one was quite interesting because it looked like dust in the right in front of us, but didn't know what it was. And when we came further down, it was actually a dust storm forming over the plains, and it just got darker and darker until the sand flew around our windshields. Sometimes when we drive on the really small roads, we get a little surprise. This one actually said road is ending, now we're on a gravel road. Well, you just have to keep on driving. We are in fact at the small roads. This is a little more of the dust storms. It happens frequently in Denmark in springtime when there's not so much water. We came across a little place that sold these iron things to put flowers on, and we're gonna need that later. Of course, there was a few little cookies. This is a favorite place of ours. It's called Høllet. It's by Viborg. There's loads of tracks you can walk, and it's a very beautiful lake. But it's cold, I mean like really cold. All year round there's a lot of bathers. Some of them are naked, so beware of that if you're not comfortable with that. And please, if you park here around this lake, be sure to leave lots of parking space for the swimmers, otherwise this place is probably gonna lock down. Nice lunch, some alternative kind of hot dogs. We didn't have any bread, so we just made them inside a salad leaf. We spent the night in solitude at Kongens Hus. Next night was a stay at something called Klippen by Struer. We had a lot of preparations to do in this day because of a big event in the family, including a lot of flowers. This is another favorite part of ours. It's called Svinkløvene, and it's on the top of Denmark. Last time we were here, it was so stormy we didn't sleep most of the night because of the wind. But right this time, it was showing its beautiful sights. We took a lot of tours around in the area, up and down. Well, mostly it's the wife walking up and down. It's not really for me, but I can take some pictures instead, or some videos. What we like here is that it's very untouched, it's pure nature, and it's just a lovely place. And as you can see, the wife is about to descend all the stairs, going down to the bottom. We were here for a night, and unfortunately we catched a little sickness, so yeah, the day after we slowly made our way home to recuperate. But it's a place we're gonna visit again, more than once at least. Now look at the beach right down at the bottom. Beautiful. It's not actually not that good a bathing spot, but it doesn't matter because it's quite beautiful. I tried to illustrate that up there is the parking place, and when, like us, you come out of season, it's no problem to get a spot. I probably wouldn't go there in high season. But look at those beautiful sunsets. Gives you a great view over the ocean. And of course, on the way back, we had to find some lovely spots for lunch, and of course, this is a better beach for testing the waters. It's sand, so I had to try. It was quite cold, so I didn't get in the Adam suit or the bathing suit at all. Just had to go out and test the waters. And of course my wife yells in the background, watch out for your clothes, and well, then of course I had to wet my trousers. On the back of this place there is something called Sletteå and Lien. It's a very special place. It's like a canyon in Danish. There's some water flowing all the way down. It's a beautiful nature spot. Makes some great hikes up and down. This is a place to go, but you can wild camp there anywhere. It's parking spaces only, so just be wary of that. But we always love water, the sound of running water, so that's the best for us. Next day we went to Høllet, visiting some friends. There's some great stories about how this little piece of land came to, and it has something to do with a very big pig. On the very end of it there's a lighthouse, and it's actually called Pig's Toe. If you're lucky and the wind and stream are working against each other, you can stand on the edge right here and have the same feeling as in Skagen, where you have two kind of waters mixing together. But it's very steep, there's a lot of currents, not a good bathing site. But as always, the sunsets are beautiful. This is the view in the rear mirror when we're driving home from Skrise to Høllet. Here at Knudmosesøerne is a great little spot, and as usual we try cleaning up, both for ourselves and for everybody else actually. Look at this. Now it's springtime. People are getting their horses out in the water. This is by Ulbjerg Strand. A very nice place. We also come out of season. It's okay to spend the night, and you can find the spots. In the high season, don't go there. The locals don't really like it. But we took a hike into the town, actually 7 kilometers all in all, just to get an ice cream. Well, there was nothing else to do. And as I said earlier, the sound of moving water. Let's hear it. Dinner on our little grill from Scotty and watching the sunsets. It's a favorite pastime. And of course a cold beer. Next day we took another route home. This is usually where we stop to have lunch, buy some fresh fish from Virksund to Sundsøre. On the way home, we have this little place where you can buy cake, bread, everything, and take with you home. I took a few days off from the wife and went to Svendborg to get some education. Found this sweet little spot by Rantzausminde and spent a couple of nights there watching the ferries, the ducks, and just enjoying life as usual, watching sunsets and sunups. This is Silkeborg, and in the nighttime, out of season of course, you can park right down by the harbour. Just beware of the signs after 18 and before 9. It's okay if there's room, the locals have a lot of parking there. This was the morning view, a bit cloudy, but Annemette actually went a tour around town, got some coffee, and we got her some new shoes, just to match with the coming spring. Flowers are coming through, very nice area. Slow and easy. And there's the two trolls. Oh, wait, no, it's actually just one troll. Sorry. Favorite spot of ours, just to take a lot of hikes because there's something called Silkeborg Bath. Well, this is an inconsiderate camper taking all the view, don't do that. We walked around, enjoying the sunset. And the next day we took a tour to the Silkeborg Bath. It's an old place where people came to get treatment. See, there's a lot of ochre in this water. And it's actually also an art museum, art exhibition. This is the parking space up on top. On the way home by Himmelbjerget, we found this little cafe on top, Himmel Mountain. It's the highest place in Denmark, almost. And then, of course, we went to France. That's what the sign says. So that's all for today, folks. Leave us a comment down below, and we'll see you later.